So in this question, a square ABCO is given and measure of each of its sides is 3 units. Inside it we have a quarter circle and a small circle shaded in blue color. We are asked to find the radius of this blue circle. For that, first of all, we need to join these 2 points. This point, let us name it as point P. This is the center of this circle, and O will be the center of this quarter circle. Also, if we can see, this point of contact point Q will be collinear, because we have learnt a theorem that if we have two circles touching each other externally and if these are the centers, so if we join these 2 points, the point of contact will be on this line segment joining the 2 centers. So point Q will be collinear. Now let us assume PQ, that is radius of this small circle we are. OQ is already known to us, that is 3 units. Now let us do another modification, that from point P, let us drop a perpendicular on OC. So this angle is 90 degree. Let us name this point as M. Now let us focus on this triangle POM. So it is a right angled triangle. So let me draw this right triangle outside. So this angle is 90 degree, point M, this is P and this point is O. We know that from P to point O, this distance will be R plus 3. So let us write R plus 3. If we see OM will be 3 minus this distance, and this distance is the radius of this small circle. So we can write OM as 3 minus R. Likewise, if we want to find this length PM, this will be, the entire length will be 3 units, and if we subtract this distance small r, so the remaining distance will be PM, so this will also be 3 minus R. Now we will apply Pythagorean theorem in this right triangle and we will get the value of R. So we can write R plus 3 whole squared is equal to 3 minus R whole square plus 3 minus R whole square, or we can write 2 times 3 minus R whole squared. So using the identity a plus b whole square, we can expand left hand side. So this will be R square plus 9 plus 6R is equal to 2 times, we will use a minus b whole square identity. So we will get 9 plus R square minus 6R. So this will be R square plus 9 plus 6R equals, we will multiply 2. So this will be 18 plus 2R square minus 12R. Now let us subtract R square from both sides. Also let us subtract 6R from both sides. Also let us subtract 9 from both sides. So this will give us R square cancelled, and on LHS we will get 0. On RHS this will be 18 minus 9, 9. To R square minus R square as plus R square, and this will be minus 18R. So we have got a quadratic equation R square minus 18R plus 9 equal to 0. We need to solve this quadratic equation to find the value of R. To do so, we will use the quadratic formula. We know that if we have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then its roots or the solution is given by the formula x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let me erase these text. So using quadratic formula, we will get R equals minus of negative 18 plus minus square root of 18 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9 upon 2 times 1. So this will be 18 plus minus square root of 18 squared is 324. This will be minus 36 whole divided by 2. So this will give us 18 plus minus this 324 minus 36 will be 288 divided by 2. So this will be 18 plus minus 12 root 2 whole divided by 2. Now we can divide both the terms by 2. So this will be 9 plus minus 6 root 2. So we get 2 value of r, that is 9 plus 6 root 2, and r equals 9 minus 6 root 2. So we will reject this value of r because we know that this square has a side of 3 units, and how come it is possible that radius of this smaller circle will be greater than 3? So it is 9 plus 6 root 2, which is much greater than the value 3. So we will reject this value. So our answer will be r equals 9 minus 6 root 2. If we substitute root 2 equals 1.414 here, we will get the value of r as 0.5147 units. So the radius of this blue circle will be either 9 minus 6 root 2, or in decimals it will be 0.5147 units. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.